Are you putting off starting the process of renovating your new home? With everything in the world around us changing so rapidly, there are some valid concerns surrounding starting the process of renovating your dream home. It's easy to get overwhelmed by the uncertainty and make the decision that now just isn't the right time. However, when you take all aspects into account and remove the emotion from the reality, you'll see that now is actually the perfect time to start the process of designing your new home. When you do this, your vision will come to fruition and you'll be living in your dream home in 2021. Hi, I'm Sue from Gaia Construction. We're Bayside's renovation and extension specialists. According to the Housing Industry Association, the HIA, the residential building industry has a proven track record in leading Australia through an economic crisis, such as during the post-GFC recovery. The residential building industry is in the perfect position to keep our national economy on the front foot once the COVID-19 pandemic has passed. There are a lot of new restrictions in place now, and it seems like it's changing every day. However, we need to remember that this will not last forever. You might be worried that the first wall of your home won't be going up anytime soon because of this. But the reality is, there are so many other steps to take before construction even begins. So if you start the process now, everything will be perfectly in place to start building your new home when we see the end of this crisis. First, there's a lot of pre-planning that needs to be done. Do you have an idea of your budget? Have you completed research on the builders you might want to work with? Do you know exactly what you want out of your new home? Right now, most of us are spending a lot of time at home. So why not spend that time doing your research and making a plan to start designing the home you've always dreamt of? There's a wealth of information available to you online, with many free resources out there to help you through the planning process. So instead of spending this newfound time at home binging the latest Netflix series, start making a plan for your new home. Our free guide, The 5 Mistakes People Make When Planning a Major Home Renovation, will be invaluable during this stage. After you've completed your research and pre-planning and you've narrowed the builder you want to work with, you can start working on the design process. The beauty of the design process in the age we live in is that the whole thing can be completed remotely. You won't even need to meet your builder face-to-face if you don't want to. The whole process can be handled online, through emails and video calls and over the phone. So now is a perfect time to get in touch with a builder and start this process. As they say, Rome wasn't built in a day, and the same applies when it comes to designing your new home. Putting your dreams on paper won't happen overnight. It could take up to 6 months before your dream home is designed exactly to suit your lifestyle and budget. And if you need to go to planning, it could take up to 12 months from now to get your planning permit. So what's stopping you from starting the process now to have your dream home ready and livable in 2021? While things may be daunting, and it may seem that the only thing that is certain right now is uncertainty, know that there are steps that you can take now if you're serious about building your new home in the future. As a professional builder, know that my building company is here to stay and to help you through the design process now to ensure you'll be living in your dream home in 2021. We've put together a guide for you to download. It's completely free and is full of tips you should know before planning a home renovation. Click the link below to download the guide so you can get started now.